When the sun explodes, we do not see it immediately. Light takes 8 minutes to travel to Earth. 8 minutes of ignorance. 8 minutes of life continuing as normal before everything ends. But the instruments detect it. Space telescopes pick up violent gamma radiation. Solar observatories send frantic alerts. A colossal shock wave tears outward at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Atoms fuse. Radiation floods the solar system. The sun becomes a blinding, expanding sphere of death. Earth has 8 minutes to exist. No governments can respond. No warnings can be sent. There is no evacuation, no shelter, no survival. The sun is stable. A near-perfect nuclear furnace that has burned for 4.6 billion years. Stars like ours do not explode easily. This is not a slow death. It is instant obliteration. A stellar explosion releasing more energy in one moment than our sun emits in its entire lifetime. The shockwave expands through space faster than anything we can comprehend, and Earth is directly in its path. At exactly the moment the sun's final light reaches Earth, the sky turns white. Not bright. White. A flash so intense it burns shadows into stone. A radiation wave so powerful it strips the atmosphere away. Everything exposed to the light is vaporized in milliseconds. Mountains turn to dust. Oceans boil instantly. Forests ignite in global firestorms. Cities evaporate before their inhabitants even understand what happened. For the first time in human history, the entire planet becomes a single blinding flame. The blast wave arrives moments later. A wall of stellar plasma hits Earth with unimaginable force. It tears the crust from the planet. It rips continents apart. It shatters the mantle like glass. Earth is not destroyed. It is unmade. The planet becomes a storm of molten debris. Its atmosphere stripped, its oceans vaporized, its orbit shattered. In less than 1 second, the world becomes a cloud of disintegrating rock, expanding into the darkness of space. Humanity does not die. Humanity ceases. The destruction does not end with Earth. Mars is scorched. Jupiter's atmosphere ignites in towering waves of fire. Saturn's rings melt into vapor. The outer planets are torn apart by radiation storms. Moons crumble. Asteroids vaporize. The entire solar system, every world, every trace of history, is erased in the expanding sphere of stellar death. Only fragments remain. Scattered dust drifting through the galaxy, carrying no memory of the planet that once existed. Stars warn us before they die. Their cores shrink. Their outer layers swell. Their light changes. But a sudden collapse? A chain reaction with no warning? This is the nightmare. Astronomers try to predict stellar life cycles, but the truth is terrifying. We do not fully understand how a star collapses. We do not know if quantum instability, dark matter interactions, or unknown cosmic events can trigger instantaneous destruction. We assume safety. We trust stability. But the universe has never promised us time. If the sun explodes tomorrow, it will be without warning. Long after Earth is gone, the explosion continues outward, a glowing nebula expanding across light years. Its remnants drift into space, forming clouds of gas and dust that will one day create new stars and new planets, perhaps even life, but not us. Humanity becomes a forgotten whisper, a brief flicker in cosmic time. All our achievements, our cities, our art, our discoveries, gone in an instant.